Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive maintenance to explore the topic of the best oil filter. Ensuring your engine gets the cleanest oil is crucial for optimal performance. Join us as we uncover the top contenders in the market. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more informative content. Number 1. Fram Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter, a game changer for your car's maintenance routine. Designed specifically for synthetic oil changes lasting up to an impressive 20,000 miles, the XG7317 filter with Sure Grip ensures exceptional performance and longevity. With its advanced filtration technology, it effectively captures contaminants, safeguarding your engine's health and maximizing its lifespan. The Sure Grip texture makes installation a breeze, providing a secure grip for hassle-free filter changes. Say goodbye to frequent replacements and hello to unparalleled durability with Fram Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter. Upgrade your car's protection today. Number 2. ACDelco GM Original Equipment PF46E Engine Oil Filter is a stellar choice for maintaining your vehicle's engine health. With its OEM quality and precision engineering, this filter ensures optimum performance and longevity for your engine. The durable construction and efficient filtration capabilities provide peace of mind, knowing that your engine is safeguarded against harmful contaminants. Its compatibility with a wide range of GM vehicles makes it a versatile option for many car owners. Installing the PF46E is hassle-free, thanks to its user-friendly design. Trust ACDelco to deliver reliability and performance, making the PF46E a must-have for any vehicle owner serious about engine care. Number 5. Purolator PL22500 Purolator 1 Advanced Engine Protection Spin-on Oil Filter, your vehicle's ultimate guardian against engine wear and tear. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this filter ensures maximum filtration efficiency, trapping harmful contaminants to keep your engine running smoothly. Its spin-on design allows for easy installation and replacement, saving you time and hassle. Engineered for durability and performance, the Purolator 1 filter delivers exceptional protection, prolonging the life of your engine and maintaining optimal performance mile after mile. With Purolator, trust in superior quality and unmatched reliability for your vehicle's engine needs. Number 4. WIX51334XP Heavy Duty Lube Filter, a game changer in engine protection. This powerhouse of a filter boasts unparalleled durability, ensuring optimal performance even in the most demanding conditions. Designed for heavy-duty applications, it effectively traps contaminants, safeguarding your engine from wear and tear. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design, saving you both time and hassle. With its high-quality construction and superior filtration capabilities, the WIX51334XP stands as a testament to reliability and longevity. Say goodbye to compromised engine health and hello to peak performance with the WIX51334XP Heavy Duty Lube Filter. Number 5. Purolator PL22500 Purolator 1 Advanced Engine Protection Spin-on Oil Filter, your vehicle's ultimate guardian against engine wear and tear. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this filter ensures maximum filtration efficiency, trapping harmful contaminants to keep your engine running smoothly. Its spin-on design allows for easy installation and replacement, saving you time and hassle. Engineered for durability and performance, the Purolator 1 filter delivers exceptional protection, prolonging the life of your engine and maintaining optimal performance mile after mile. With Purolator, trust in superior quality and unmatched reliability for your vehicle's engine needs. In conclusion, choosing the best oil filter is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. Whether it's durability, filtration efficiency, or compatibility, finding the right one matters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share for more insightful automotive content.